Thank you so much everyone for coming. What an amazing turnout. First, we're making a sauteed kale salad with roasted acorn squash. Just gonna take it, you're gonna drive your knife in and down. When you get inside, you're gonna see seed bed. That seed bed needs to be removed. You're just gonna take it out with a spoon and get rid of it. Now we're gonna take a roasting pan. We're gonna put our acorn squash on there and we're gonna season it. Today we're gonna season this with a little bit of smoked paprika, salt, ground pepper, fresh local maple syrup, and a little bit of olive oil. And we're just gonna go ahead and pop that into the oven till it's fully soft throughout. In the meantime, we're gonna whip up our dressing for the salad. So we're gonna start with a few pinches of kosher salt, a little bit of black pepper, some red wine vinegar. We are at a winery, there will be wine in this meal quite a bit today. Put a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, some stone ground or grainy Dijon. Get our immersion blender, start blending, and pull out our canola oil or vegetable oil. Turned my pan on a few minutes ago, letting it get nice and hot. We're gonna add some vegetable oil and a little olive oil. This helps the olive oil not to burn quickly. And we're gonna go ahead and add some fresh garlic. We're gonna check our oven for our cooked squash, which, ta-da, is fully cooked and cooled. And what we wanna do is remove it from the skin. So just a spoon, it's gonna be nice and soft, and we'll be able to just kind of cut it out of the skin. And a lot of it we'll just kind of wanna peel off. Once we get that skin out of there, chop it up, set it aside, and we're gonna use that in the salad. Now that we're starting to sear, you can see the garlic's browning a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and throw the squash in. Make sure it's all kind of broken up a little bit. Then we're gonna take our kale and just pop it in the pan. It's gonna pop and it's gonna sizzle. Just gonna let that saute for a second. In the meantime, we have pomegranate. Give it a quick squish and then tap it with a spoon. We're not gonna use all this juice in this salad. We're just gonna use the seeds, and we're gonna save the juice for a later application in the meal. Now that our kale, you don't wanna fully cook it. You just wanna give it a little sear, wilt it a tiny bit. We're gonna add the rest of our ingredients to it. But first, we need to cut our pears. We're just gonna give them a quick chop. Our kale with garlic and our squash. Now is when we're gonna add in our pomegranate seeds and our dressing. And we're gonna mix it. Now we're ready to plate the salad. We've gone ahead and toasted some pecans. Just wanna give them a little crush with your hand and just over the salad like that. And then you have your winter kale salad.